Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on various stock exchanges around the world, and I also upload daily analysis on 10 Forex currency pairs. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional fancy setup. I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home. I do not even um, replay the video after recording. Hmm. And I don't do editing and all because I don't have time. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So this video is for the Monday only. So I'm just using the 1 hour time frame, and max to max I'll switch to 4 hours time frame once. Okay, so you can see that right now the Euro USD is trading at 1.2122. Okay, I'll say that right now market is in no trading zone. You just need to wait and watch the market. You don't need to go ahead and rush. Okay, and today's Monday. We all know it very well that on Mondays, uh, during the initial hours, market hardly shows any um, volatility. Okay, so right now market is trading at 1.2123. Okay, so you just watch and just let the market come to you. Do not go to the market. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. So what will be our price? Our price is, we have got two prices here, because on the chart we can see that there is a support available at 1.2022 and 1.2166. 1.2166 is the resistance. So if the market starts moving from here and hits the 1.2166 level or the resistance level, and from there if it fails to cross and show you a reversal sign, then you can short the market. On the other hand, if it goes down and takes support here and bounces from here, then also you can go ahead and buy. Okay, in case support or the 1.210, sorry, 1.2022 level fails to give support to the market and it reaches the support level, then you can short the market for a target of this target 1.951, 1.1951. Okay, but as of now you don't need to trade. You just wait and watch the market. Okay, let the market come to you. Just wait for the market to reach 1.2166 level or 1.2022 level, and if it breaks this level, then go long. If it reverses from there, go short. Similarly, if it breaks this level comfortably, you can short the market, and if it bounces from here, you can go long. Just get the confirmation. You can get the confirmation with the help of a candlestick pattern or any indicator of your choice. Okay, candlestick pattern like this. Here you can see that there is a hammer. Okay, price rejection from above. So these kind of candlestick patterns are very much useful to spot the reversal signs. So that's it with the Euro USD for the Monday. Okay, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis to stay ahead of the market. And if you want to know more about me, then please check out the link of my website in the description box. Thank you so much.